There are a lot of benefits to live streaming your event, but if you aren't sure where to start or how to be successful, it can be overwhelming. So we've developed the complete guide to live streaming your events. Hey, I'm Katie with Endless Events, and live streaming an event can be done at almost any event these days, and it can be incredibly valuable. It's going to help you gain an audience and increase your visibility. So it's important to define your purpose. Why are you live streaming your event? Are you trying to give viewers the same experience as your in-room audience, or are you trying to showcase your brand? Once you've decided this, you can really pinpoint your target audience, and then you can set your strategy. So define your audience, figure out what experience you want to give them, and go from there. This isn't something that should be done at the last minute. It should be given a lot of time, as much planning as you would do for your in-room audience. Now, there are 5 parts to a live stream. The first is your in-room AV production team. So they're setting up your camera and your audio equipment. Then you've got your provider on-site box. So this is taking your camera and audio signals and converting them to digital. Your venue's internet service needs to be fast and reliable, so before you sign a contract with them, make sure that their internet service can handle your live stream. And then you have the provider platform. So this is going to send out your digital signal. So you need to check with your vendor to make sure that the service is speedy. And lastly, there's the user's internet service. Now, this is something you have no control over, but you need to be prepared for people who are frustrated with the fact that their internet service can't handle your live stream. There are a few options for finding a vendor, and you get what you pay for. So the more you spend, the higher quality stream you're going to have. It's a good idea to shop around and get quotes. If you're having a larger corporate event, it's a good idea to go with a service, but if you're having a medium-sized event, you might be able to hire a freelance AV team. The cheapest option is to do it yourself, and if you're having a small event and you just want to test the waters and kind of showcase what's happening at your event, this is a good option, but remember, you're at the mercy of the service you're using, so something like Facebook Live or YouTube Live events. And beyond all the technical aspects, you really want to connect with your audience. So you can do this by giving them special materials like a downloadable program, you can do a chat Q&A, and you can designate a specific moderator for the remote audience. So as you can see, live streaming an event can be extremely valuable, and if you set your purpose and a strategy, you will be able to connect with your audience and the technical aspects will come easily. If you want to learn more about this, you can click the link and head to our blog post, and let us know in the comments below if you've ever live streamed an event or if you're looking forward to doing it in the future. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe for more great tips, and I'll see you next time.